Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace GMC Acadia tail light. Start by parking on a flat surface, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Gather a trim tool, 10 mm socket, replacement bulb or assembly, and gloves. Remove the interior trunk panel to access the tail light fasteners, unbolt gently, disconnect the wiring harness, swap the assembly or bulb, reconnect, test, and reassemble. Before you begin, make sure you have the right replacement, bulb or full assembly for your GMC Acadia. Work with gloves and safety glasses and keep a clean tray for screws. Take photos of connector positions to ease reassembly. Label fasteners if needed. Use a 10 mm socket and short extensions, and a plastic trim tool to avoid paint damage. Reconnect the battery last and verify brake and signal functions properly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support channel growth. Quick recommendation: keep your ride smelling fresh after working on your GMC Acadia with Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener clipped in the car. It eases post-grease vibes. I find a small scent helps keep the cabin pleasant while driving home with new lights installed. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Access the tail light from the trunk area by removing the interior panel clips carefully. Remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket, then pull the assembly straight out while supporting it. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the tab and sliding out. Transfer bulbs if needed or replace the full assembly. Seat it firmly, reinstall bolts, reconnect the harness, and torque gently before testing all light functions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.